Hi, and welcome to this week's Timer Tuesday. This weekly challenge is for all art lovers and especially for those who want to see fast progress in their learnings. If you're the kind of person who starts lots of paintings but find it really difficult to finish any, this is the perfect challenge for you. The rules are simple, just set a timer to 1 hour and paint to the best of your capacities. No fuss, no stress, don't worry about the final outcome, just paint for the sake of learning and loosening up. You can download the image and exercise file underneath this video. In this video, I'll also provide you with a few tips and techniques that I use to create this image. You can check the comment below for the exact time that these tips starts if you'd like to skip to them. Happy Tuesday everyone, and happy painting! All right. I feel like this one is going to take me less time than anticipated. I think an hour is going to be too much. My goal is not to be as realistic as possible as the picture, but just have a good representation of it. So I just made a pause here to show you one little trick I'm about to do. I'm going to create a new layer now. What I'm going to do, because I want just to boost a little bit more the colors, I want to play with color dodge. Color dodge will always give you the possibility to be able to just have some very nice lights and play with the colors at the same time. I'm gonna play with the soft round brush. Basically, I'm gonna try colors, not randomly, but trying to dark colors and just paint on top of them and see what's happening. You're gonna see it's gonna brighten a lot, and just gonna try a few colors, see what works, what doesn't. Well, my goal is to just make this fly a little bit more, even more shiny than what it is on the original. So I'm just gonna take a few like this and paint in a few places that I know that the light is punching more, such as like the part of the wing here, the top of the fly, obviously, and just a few places like that. Maybe I'll boost the eye just for the pleasure of it. Yeah, color dodge, be just careful. If you go too light, it's gonna go just too bright. Although, like I said, I want to brighten it up a little bit more in terms of value than the original. So I'm just gonna boost it and try a few colors. Usually, just gonna add a little bit more of visual appealing. It's gonna add those little purples like you can see here, and the orange that just got boosted. Like if I take it out, you can see that it's just adding a lot of light and color at the same time. I might even try to do the same thing over the wings, just to make the fly a little bit better. Yeah. So yeah, from there I'm just going to continue painting basically. All right, I think I'm going to call this one done. I could go a little more in details. The only thing I'm going to do now is just boost the details by having a little trick here. I'm going to go over sharpen, Unsharp Mask, and obviously this is too much. You can play with the Unsharp Mask amount and just try to find a right amount. It's just going to boost a lot the details. I just want to add a little bit more crisp. That should be fine. Maybe just a bit more. Yeah, that should be fine. And yeah, I'll call it done. Like I said earlier, I didn't want to do like a perfect copy. I think it's good enough like that. I really like it. I think I nailed the color as well. And it was pretty fun to do overall. I mean, a fly in a macro like this is pretty cool. So yeah, you can download this file below this video and give it a try. As usual, happy painting.